OranjeBTC will soon be listed on Brazil's B3 exchange.
This move is expected in early October.
With over $400 million in Bitcoin reserves, it will be Brazil's largest publicly traded Bitcoin treasury firm.
OranjeBTC will go public through a reverse merger with Integraeus.
Integraeus is a Perp course provider already on the exchange.
OranjeBTC holds about 6 times more Bitcoin than Miliutes, another publicly traded Bitcoin treasury firm in Brazil.
High-profile investors like the Winklevoss twins and Adam Back are backing the venture.
OranjeBTC also plans to launch a Bitcoin and crypto-focused financial education platform.
Zerohash, a crypto and stablecoin infrastructure provider, has raised $104 million.
This Series D2 round was led by Interactive Brokers, valuing the company at $1 billion.
Morgan Stanley, Apollo Managed Funds, and Sophie were among the new participants.
Existing backers like Peak 6, Tastytrade, and Nika Partners also contributed.
This brings Zerohash's total funding to $275 million.
The funds will fuel product expansion, talent growth, and their goal to become the AWS of on-chain infrastructure.
This marks the first crypto and stablecoin investment for several large players.
Zerohash provides tools that enable financial institutions to offer crypto and stablecoin products.
Silicon Valley incubator, Combinator, is partnering with Base and Coinbase Ventures to create Fintech 3.0 companies.
They are looking for projects focused on expanding stablecoins into local currencies.
They also want to tokenize assets like stocks and credit markets.
Building consumer applications, including artificial intelligence-driven financial agents, is another area of interest.
Base, an Ethereum overlay blockchain linked to Coinbase, recently partnered with Shopify.
This partnership enables global United States dollar coin payments.
Base aims to build a global economy that promotes innovation, creativity, and freedom.
This initiative coincides with United States lawmakers working to clarify cryptocurrency regulations.
Hedera Hashgraph, or HBAR, experienced a volatile 24-hour period between September 22 and September 23.
The token traded between 21.7 cents and 22.5 cents.
Initially, a sell-off pushed the price down before heavy buying restored momentum.
Strong support emerged around 21.7 cents.
Bulls then pushed HBAR to almost 22.5 cents.
However, resistance near 22.4 cents limited further gains.
HBAR closed at 22.2 cents, a 2.5% increase from its low.
This close above the range midpoint suggests a bullish trend.
Archetype, a New York venture capital firm, has raised $100 million for its third fund.
This fund, called Archetype 3, will back early-stage blockchain startups.
The fund is supported by a mix of existing and new institutional investors.
These investors include pensions, academic endowments, sovereign wealth funds, and funds of funds.
Archetype founder Ash Egan stated their goal is to ensure crypto teams are positioned to win.
They achieve this by building deep rapport with founders in a way large funds cannot.
Archetype has made successful early investments, such as Privy, a crypto wallet startup acquired by Stripe.
Another investment, United States Bitcoin Corporation, merged with Hut8, joining a venture tied to Eric Trump's American Bitcoin project.
The Securities and Exchange Commission is working towards a year-end goal to bring crypto firms developing new products under its oversight. Chairman Paul Atkins discussed this in a recent Fox Business interview. Atkins is known for supporting digital assets and policies friendly to the crypto industry. This aligns with directives from President Donald Trump. Both the SEC and Commodity Futures Trading Commission recently encouraged registered firms to engage in crypto activity. They advised firms to contact them with any questions about proceeding. Morgan Stanley is partnering with Zerohash to enable cryptocurrency trading for electronic trade clients.
Electronic trade clients will be able to trade Bitcoin, Ether, and Solana starting in the first half of 2026.
Jed Finn, head of wealth management at Morgan Stanley, stated this is the first phase of a larger cryptocurrency strategy.
This strategy will eventually include a comprehensive wallet solution.
Finn emphasized the permanence of blockchain technology and the importance of client access to both traditional and digital assets.
Morgan Stanley is developing an asset allocation framework to include cryptocurrency exposure based on individual investor goals.
The bank is also researching tokenization for improved back-office processes like settlement and clearing.
Electronic Trade, owned by Morgan Stanley, is a platform for trading various financial instruments.
Fold is launching a Bitcoin rewards credit card with Stripe and Visa.
This card offers a simple way to earn Bitcoin on everyday purchases.
The card operates on Visa's network and utilizes Stripe Issuing's infrastructure.
Cardholders earn 2% back in Bitcoin instantly.
An additional 1.5% boost is available when paying with a Fold checking account with qualified activity.
Shoppers can earn up to 10% back with partners like Amazon, Target, and Starbucks.
Fold Chief Executive Officer Will Reeves stated it makes Bitcoin accessible to everyone.
He emphasized there are no categories to manage or tokens to stake.
Semler Scientific closed at $32.06, well below the $86.30 takeout value from its acquisition by Strive.
Analyst Mark Palmer says this discount reflects skepticism and opportunity in Bitcoin Treasury mergers and acquisitions.
Palmer maintained a buy rating on Semler but lowered the price target to $86.
The exchange ratio is 21.05 Strive shares for each Semler share.
Palmer said the market may underestimate the long-term impact of consolidating Bitcoin holdings.
Strive holds 5,886 Bitcoin and will add Semler's 5,021 Bitcoin.
Combined, they will hold 10,907 Bitcoin, the 12th most among public companies.
Strive also gains Semler's diagnostics business, which it plans to monetize.
The CoinDesk 20 is currently trading at 4,062.43.
It is up 1.1% since 4 post-meridian Eastern Time on Monday.
19 of the 20 assets are trading higher.
Avalanche gained 8.9% and Near Protocol gained 5.9%, leading the index higher.
Bitcoin Cash is down 0.2%.
Bitcoin is up 0.6%.
The CoinDesk 20 is a broad-based index.
It is traded on multiple platforms in several regions globally.
OKX is offering 4.1% yields on USDG with weekly payouts and no staking lockups.
This move is a response to the increasing competition for stablecoin dominance.
USDG is issued by Paxos and backed 1-to-1 by United States dollars.
OKX joined the global dollar network in July and offers USDG to both onshore and offshore users.
OKX is promoting USDG as a dollar that pays you back during slow markets or when traders have idle funds.
Yield has become a major factor in the stablecoin competition.
Fiat-backed options like USDC and USDG are competing with decentralized options like DAI.
OKX calls stablecoins the connective tissue of crypto. Gold has outperformed Bitcoin this year.
Silver, platinum, and palladium have also seen strong gains, exceeding Bitcoin as performance.
Gold is up 44% to $3,784.
Silver has gained 53% to $44.32 per troy ounce.
Platinum is up 60% to $1,452.
Palladium has risen 33% to $1,207.
Bitcoin has only risen about 20% to $113,000.
Precious metals are considered safe havens during economic uncertainty. Cloudburst Technologies secured $7 million in Series A funding to enhance its off-chain crypto intelligence platform.
Unlike other blockchain analytics firms, Cloudburst analyzes data like chat rooms and regulatory filings.
This helps them monitor fraud, illicit actors, scams, and social sentiment.
The funding round, led by Borderless Capital, brings total funding to $11 million since its 2022 founding.
Additional backers include Strategic Cyber Ventures, CoinFund, Coinbase Ventures, Blockcelerate VC, and InQ Telephone.
Cloudburst aims to provide real-time intelligence and predictive insights to various market participants.
Their tools are designed for regulators, law enforcement, exchanges, and investors.
CEO Evan Coleman stated the goal is to provide visibility into risks beyond the blockchain.
Week 38 is historically the third worst performing week for Bitcoin.
It averages a return of negative 2.25%.
Only weeks 28 and 14 have been weaker historically.
This week Bitcoin is already down nearly 2%, trading around $113,000.
September is monthly options expiry pointing to a max pain level at $110,000.
Max pain refers to the strike price at which the largest number of options contracts expire worthless.
Perpetual funding rates for Bitcoin have dropped to 4%, one of their lowest levels in a month.
A low positive funding rate suggests reduced demand for leveraged long exposure.
Finality, a financial technology firm, has secured $136 million in funding to expand its blockchain payment systems for banks.
The London-based company builds tokenized versions of major currencies backed by cash at central banks.
This Series C funding round was led by WisdomTree, Bank of America, Citi, and others.
Existing investors such as Goldman Sachs and UBS also participated.
Finality previously raised $95 million in 2023.
The new funds will be used to expand into other currencies and support tokenized assets.
Their technology allows for real-time settlement of trades and more efficient use of capital.
Chief Executive Officer Michelle Neal sees this as a step towards a hybrid future of finance.
YZI Labs, the family office founded by Binance co-founder Changpeng Zhao, may open to external investors.
The $10 billion investment company is open to the possibility of converting into an investment fund.
YZI Labs head Ella Zhang said they will eventually consider turning it into an external-facing fund.
While YZI has considerable knowledge in Web3 investments, it is still early in artificial intelligence and biotech.
Zhang said when they have that expertise, they will be open to external investors.
YZI Labs was previously Binance's venture capital arm but became Zhao's family office.
This change occurred after his release from prison for failing to set up an adequate Know Your Customer program at Binance.
YZI Labs manages the money of Zhao and fellow Binance co-founder Yi He.
That's a wrap on this episode of CryptoCast Daily. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you next time with more market updates, bold predictions, and fearless crypto insights.